Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing the Orivelle Nail Fungus Pen. And, this one's only about £10 for one, and they have different options. So the more you get, the cheaper the per unit price becomes. Okay? And I'll give you the pros and cons. First of all, this is a convenient applicator. The pen, the design, it's super easy to use, it's mess free, and you can get the solution right where you need it without any fuss. And it's quick drying, by the way. The solution basically it dries fast, so you're not left with a gooey residue on your toes. Okay? And it's great for applying it and just removing and just moving on with your day, you know. So I'll give you the cons as well, because first of all, there is a lack of verifiable results. Okay, the dramatic, for example, before and after pictures here, as you can see, honestly, this does not seem to hold up. From what I've seen others say on Reddit, for example, the promised overnight, 5 to 7 day results, just they're not realistic, really. It just feels more like a moisturizing pen than a powerful antifungal treatment. And there is also questionable credibility. A lot of the online reviews and testimonials that I saw, they seem a bit generated. It's hard to find a lot of genuine long-term user reports on platforms like Reddit, which makes me question the product's effectiveness. So I would say it's more of like a temporary solution, honestly, than an actual cure. It's more like a cosmetic fix. But for like a real fungal infection, you're probably better off consulting a specialist, or you're going for a proven over-the-counter product. So it's not a complete scam, but the claims are a bit overhyped, especially in that timeline they promise. If you found this review helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.